In this video, I will show you how with a few clicks you can make your screenshots look like this. We'll be using Sharex on Windows, a screenshotting tool to apply these presets automatically after capturing. You can download Sharex from the Microsoft Store or from their website. I'll leave the download links and the presets in the description. To access the presets, open Sharex, open Task Settings, Effects, and open Image Effects Configuration. These are the presets that I made. And you can download some more image effects from Sharex's website by clicking this button. I will now explain some of the controls so you can customize it to your liking. The first rounded corners control rounds the corners of your screenshot. This canvas controls the size of the background that you can increase by increasing the margin. This rounded corners rounds the corners of the background, and this background controls the color of the background. You have two options, either a simple color or a gradient. The gradient picker offers gradient presets, or you can make your own. You can also change the gradient type like horizontal, vertical, forward diagonal, and backward diagonal. Make sure that the location of the different colors are different. For example, if you're using two colors, you need to have one at 0 and one at 100. To apply these presets automatically after capturing, go to After Capture Tasks, enable Add Image Effects, and choose a default preset. Or you can make the Image Effects window pop up after capturing by going to Task Settings, Effects, and checking Show Image Effects window after capture. And if you want it to only pop up when you use the region capture, check the box below it. To apply these presets to an old screenshot or image, go to Tools, open Image Effects, and choose the image you want to apply the preset to. Choose the preset and save image. Quick tips: if you like the default Sharex hotkeys and you want to use print screen in Sharex, search for use the print screen key to open snipping tool and disable it. For maximum image quality, go to Task Settings, Image, choose PNG format, 32-bit depth, increase the JPEG quality to 100, and uncheck this box. If you want me to create more image effects or a detailed guide of Sharex, comment down below.